This is Lenovo TAB M8, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, make sure that your tablet is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, then at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, well, you can either tap at the install button from the search itself or open the app page and go for the install option at the app page as well. So now we will need to simply wait for the app to get, well, downloaded and installed apparently. So I guess that the Opera download was pushed back by other app updates or something, so let me check that real quick and see whether this is the case or not. No, it should not be the case. And well, right after I've opened up the pending downloads page, the download itself was started, so I guess that settles that. So now we'll need to wait for it to get downloaded and installed, as I've already mentioned. Then launch the app itself. In here, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.